Hi everyone, it's Jerry here again, and today I was sent these. This is an 8-pack of solar lights. I'm going to kind of unbox these and show you what's inside. Then I want to go outside. We're going to install a few of them. I'm going to kind of show you how the lighting effect works because these things are kind of cool. They're a little bit different. It does come with the instruction guide, and it comes with all the mounting hardware. Love to see that because it comes with not only the ability to screw it directly in, but also into a sheetrock or drywall. So these could, in theory, be mounted indoors, although they are solar lights. The actual solar lights themselves, very simple design, but very elegant, very clear. This is an ABS plastic here with a separate solar piece here where the solar lights come out and will shine down into this little area here. When mounting, I'm going to mount them through those holes onto the surface like this over here. If you want to mount them someplace like that, you'll pull the tab, snap this into place, and it'll look something like that. I kind of already snapped one together just to kind of show you in the daytime here how it looks. Those lights, they light up this little bauble underneath there, and it kind of disperses the light out there, which is pretty cool. So let's go on outside and get one installed. So outside here we don't have a lot of outdoor lighting on this part of our deck, and so what I'm going to do is actually just mount these in the corner of each one of these stairs, and we're going to see how that's going to illuminate at night. It should do a really good job doing that. To install these, we're going to use the provided screws. You can use a hand screwdriver or a power screwdriver. So to mount this, we're just going to line this up and just take something. You can use a pencil and pen or use your screwdriver, and we're just going to mark the spots where we're going to want to drive those in. And then we're going to go ahead and use the provided screws to go ahead and put those in those spots and go ahead and drive them in a little bit. You want to leave yourself a little bit of a gap because what this is going to do is hook over the end and slide down to hold that in place. Next, we're going to take our piece here with the lights facing down, and you're going to go ahead and pull this battery tab out the back, and you're going to snap this in to the base plate. Now we've got those attached. Now we're going to just give it till nighttime, and we'll show you the lighting effect at night. They provide ample light to light up the stairs, not only lighting up the stairs, but the whole area around it.